let's just cut right to it. You're using AI to write your ads, your emails, all your posts, and they still suck. And you know what? It's not the AI's fault. It's yours. You're just a terrible teacher. Look, you're handing your new apprentice some vague, weak sauce strategy, and then you're expecting a masterpiece in return. You're treating this revolutionary tool like it's some kind of magic 8-ball, just hoping it'll guess the perfect message. Well, it won't. It can't. So today, we are going to fix that. And we're going to do it by focusing on the mindset, not the prompt set that you're so clearly missing. Let's get one thing perfectly clear. Your apprentice, the AI, is completely blameless here. It's a machine. It's doing exactly what you tell it to do. The real problem is you're blaming the tool for your own fuzzy, non-existent strategic direction. It's like blaming a hammer because the house you built fell over. The hammer worked just fine. Your blueprint was garbage. So why is the copy you're getting so bland, so utterly generic? It's because an AI, just like any good apprentice, needs crystal clear instructions. It needs deep context. It needs a well-defined goal. It's begging for a master strategist to guide its power. But right now, you're not giving it that. You're just giving it chores, not a real mission. You know, here's the best way to think about it. You are handing this absolutely brilliant apprentice a paint-by-numbers kit. You know, these shallow tactical prompts like, write 5 Facebook ads for my new widget. And then you have the audacity to expect the Mona Lisa. Come on. It can only work with what you give it, and right now, you're just giving it scraps. Okay, so to fix this, first we gotta diagnose the root cause of the failure. And that starts by just demolishing the 3 fundamental lies about AI in marketing that you've probably bought into. It's time to expose the lies you've been sold. I call these the 3 horsemen of the AI apocalypse for lazy marketers. The magic button lie, the instant expert lie, and the scale over substance lie. And we are going to dismantle every single one of them. First up, the magic button lie. This is the belief that AI just replaces strategic thinking. It doesn't. Not even close. Sure, an AI can generate 1,000 headline variations in a second, but it can't feel your customer's deepest pain point. It executes tactics brilliantly, but it absolutely cannot replace the strategist who actually understands the messiness of human desire. Second is the instant expert lie. Listen, AI is a collaborator. It needs to be fed your expertise. It amplifies the knowledge you already have. It can't just invent deep industry insights out of thin air. So if you don't truly understand your market, your product, and your customer, the AI can't fake it for you. It'll just generate a whole lot of expertly written nonsense. And finally, we have the most dangerous lie of them all: scale over substance. This idea that more is better. Just look back at the classic ads from the 50s. Tums for the tummy, the thinking man's filter. Pow! Powerful, singular messages. Great marketing has always been about a single, piercing idea. AI just lets you scale mediocrity, which really just means you're making more people ignore you much, much faster. So this brings us to the correct way to think about this. You have to see AI as an amplifier, not an alchemist. It doesn't magically turn your lead into gold. It just takes the signal you give it, whether that's strong or weak, and it makes it a whole lot louder. So the really crucial point here is this. We've moved past garbage in, garbage out. The new danger, the one you have to worry about, is garbage in, gospel out. You feed the AI a weak generic strategy and it spits out this polished, convincing, but ultimately hollow garbage. It looks and sounds like gospel, but believe me, it's built on a foundation of sand. AI is a force multiplier, and you really need to understand this definition. It amplifies your existing strengths or your weaknesses. So if your offer's weak, if your strategy is totally flawed, AI is only going to help you fail faster, bigger, and louder than you ever thought possible. It literally multiplies your incompetence at scale. So how do we fix this? How do you finally become the master strategist your apprentice is begging for? You do it by implementing what I call the Corvus correction. It's a framework designed to give your AI a hawk-like focus on the mission. And it's the essential strategic groundwork you must build before you let that AI write a single word. This right here, this is your mission plan, the one-page strategic brief. You have to define with absolute painful clarity. Who are you talking to? And I don't want to see any vague demographics. What is their deepest, most urgent problem, the thing that literally keeps them up at night? Why are you the only logical solution for them? What's the specific, irresistible offer? What is the one, single, unambiguous action they have to take next? And finally, how exactly do we need to sound? This isn't a prompt, this is strategy. So, once you have that brief, your entire workflow changes. You have a new mandate. You have a new hierarchy for how work actually gets done. Now look at this slide very carefully. Most people fail because they start at the bottom, with execution. They just ask the AI to write an ad. The correct process starts at the top. Step 1, strategy. That's the one-page brief. That's you. Step 2, infrastructure. That's building the landing pages, setting up the campaign. That is also you. Then, and only then, do you get to move to step 3, execution. You hand that strategic brief to your AI apprentice and you say, go. So here's your final command. Stop chasing the perfect prompt. Stop collecting tips and tricks online. They are absolutely worthless without a foundation. Instead, start building a strategic mind. Do the hard work of actually defining your message and your market. Then, and only then, are you ready to unleash your new apprentice.